So we need to find out the value of cosine 7.5 degrees. Let us begin. Now, cosine of 7.5 degrees can be also expressed as cosine of 15 over 2 degrees. Now we're going to use a formula here. So whenever we have cosine of the angle A over 2, so that can be also expressed as plus or minus the square root of 1 plus cosine of the angle A divided by 2. Now in the case A is 15 degree. So let's replace the value of A with 15 degree. Then we should get plus or minus the square root of 1 plus cosine of angle 15 degree divided by 2. Now we are only going to consider the positive value, and the reason behind this is angle 15 degree over 2, that's a very small angle which lies only in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all trig functions are positive, so that's why we're going to consider a positive value. Now the next task will be to determine the value of cosine 15 degree. Cosine 15 degree, that can be also expressed as cosine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. This is going to be the cosine of a compound angle, and when we expand it, we should get cosine 45 times cosine 30 plus sine 45 multiplied to sine 30. Now we know the standard value of cosine 45, cosine 30 as well as sine 45 and sine 30. So when we substitute all this value, we should get square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2. We'll use this value. That means we should get now the square root of, we have 1 plus square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2 whole divided by 2. And this should give us, we should get the square root of, we have 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 4 times square root of 2. What we can do, we can rationalize this denominator, 4 times square root of 2. All we have to do is multiply both the numerator and the denominator with square root of 2. Okay, let's do that. So this is the entire numerator that we are multiplying with, and after simplification, I'm writing the result here. We should be getting square root of 4 plus square root of 2 added to square root of 6 whole divided by 8, and this is going to be the value of cosine 7.5 degrees.